Hello, Brenda. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thank you to Charity for giving me permission to send this video over to you. I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you're super busy, so this video is just informational, educational, just kind of showing you some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence and your online relevancy, right? To in order to bring more customers, more phone, get those phones ringing even more, especially during the winter months, right? You just want a constant flow of customers. This is exactly how you're going to do it. Okay, so I'm just going to break down three things for you today. First one's going to be content. The second thing is going to be backlinks, and then lastly, we're going to talk about citations. Okay, so let's jump right in it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of your content here. Okay, content is just all the words and pictures that are on your website. Okay, the reason I'm doing this is because Google doesn't care about how pretty a website is, even though it is really pretty. It was really well made, and I just got to give credit where credit is due. This was really cool. Google doesn't really care about that stuff, right? Google cares about the content that you have on here, right? On your website, and the amount of keywords that are relevant to that content, right? So I went on ahead and copied, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it here in my keyword, or excuse me, my word finder. And you have 867 keywords, which is why do I keep saying keywords? 867 words, which is a great place to start. Okay, you're not too far off. A dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, but even if you were to break over that 1,000 mark, you'd be a lot more visible on Google. Okay, Google would be able to find your website a lot faster. Okay, so I would definitely look into maybe adding a couple hundred more, maybe 300, right, just to ensure that you're gonna be a dominant force, okay, on Google. Now also you want to include keywords, such as like pest control Abilene, right, or pest control companies Abilene, pest control services Abilene, Texas, right, things like that would greatly increase your visibility. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about today is backlinks, okay? Now, I went on ahead and plugged in your website into my tool here. It's called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool. Obviously, I am in the industry, but there are some other tools out there that you can use that basically do the same thing that the Ahrefs does, right? All you'd have to do is just Google like backlink checker for free, or keyword researcher for free, things like that, and you could see exactly what I'm saying. But what Ahrefs does is kind of peel back the curtain and see what's going on, behind the scenes, right? What's going on behind this website here. Now, as you can see, you have 30 referring domains, okay, which is essentially 30 different websites that are pushing traffic towards your website. And you could see here, according to the backlinks, they're doing that 125 times, okay? That's basically what these are. Now, you have 9 keywords, okay, which is, like I said, right, those keywords that are like pest control, Abilene, things like that. And you have 5 people on average visiting your website per month, bringing you a total of $27 in traffic value. Now, if we look at your competitors over here, Bug Blaster, you could see here that they have 26 referring domains and 146 backlinks, nearly similar to what you have over here, right? They have 58 keywords, and they're bringing in 153 people to visit their website per month, right? Now that's bringing in them a total of $825 worth of traffic value, which is a large difference between yours, right? It's a big differential. Now, that's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table by not optimizing your site, right? By ensuring that you're number one on Google, that you're able to be seen, that you're able to be found, right? And the way we do that is by the good thing about this, right, is that if these referring domains and backlinks are good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you. Sure, you may have more referring domains than them and more a little less backlinks, but the thing is that not all backlinks are created equal, right? Some of them aren't as quality as others, okay? Now, Google knows that you're not a restaurant, right? You're not an Arby's or a Pizza Hut or anything like that, so they don't want to see other restaurants pushing traffic to your website. They want to see other pest control companies or pest control blogs and forums pushing traffic to your website. It builds trust, it builds power, and it allows you to be more visible on Google, right? You could dominate the organics ranking, your organic rankings, just by following these small tips and tricks. Okay. Now, lastly, what I want to talk to you about today is the citations, right? And a citation is just anywhere that your business name, phone number, and your address can be found in a directory, okay? Now, a directory can be, it could be Yelp, you've got White Pages, Yellow Pages, you've got Home Advisor, you've got, what else? Angie's List. So those are just a few of the directories that you can put your business on, right? Which would build your citation list. Now, there are local directories that you can put your business on, which would greatly increase your visibility, and it would also land you here up in this map pack. Okay, this is where all the traffic goes. This is where all the money is. This is where most people are getting all their business, right? Is here in this map pack. Now, by having more citations than your competitors, like these bug blasters, if you have, or I should say, if they have anywhere between 50 to 75 different citations, then you would want to up them to 100 or 150, right? To ensure that you're constantly dominating this #1 spot here on the Google Map Pack, okay? Now, you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So you have two different options, right? So the first one, you could definitely take all this information and apply it yourself, right? Ensuring that you do all the research, making sure that you get those backlinks from your competitors, ensuring that you get those citations from your competitors, doing the research to apply all these things yourself, and then obviously upping your content just a little bit, 200 more words and you'd be a dominating a website on Google, or a dominant website on Google, I should say. Or if you were looking to outsource some help, you could definitely reach out to me and I could see what I can do to help you. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I hope to hear from you soon. You guys have a wonderful day.